Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you are viewing me for the first time, you're welcome. This channel is strictly for crypto trading, so if you're interested in crypto trading, you are at the right place. Just log it in by clicking on that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the categories of traders. So crypto trading is categorized into two broad groups. One is based off of time, the other is based off of strategy. So the one based off of time is divided into four. We have investors, swing traders, day traders, and scalpers. Now, investors are kind of people that look at a coin and look and see the potential in it. And then when they buy it, they don't mind how long they have to stay, but then they believe it's going to get there at the end of the day. An example of this is this man that bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $1. So assuming he's still holding on to that, let's say he bought $10 worth of Bitcoin, you can do the maths. Bitcoin is over 40 something K now. The second category is the swing trader, or as I like to call them, the peaceful trader. Why I call them peaceful trader is because they are the kind of traders that take a trade and then they go by their day doing every other thing. Swing traders take a trade and then they leave the trade to mature, to get to their determined profit before they close the trade. They take trade and then they hold it for days, sometimes weeks, and even months, as long as it takes for them to get their profits. That's how long they take. So what they do is they take trade and then they close their system, because they know this trade that I'm taking, it's going to be very rare for me to get to my profits in a day or two. So let me just go do other things. So these are the kind of this is why I call them peaceful trader, and I feel like I'm a bit biased because personally I'm a swing trader too. The third group of traders are the day trader, or as I like to call them, the active trader. So if you're a new trader, you are new to the trading game, I'm going to advise you become a day trader. I know it kind of sounds funny coming from a swing trader, but if you are new into the game, I would advise you start with day trading, because day trading will give you a lot of experience. You get to spend more time on the chart. Day traders open a position and close it on that same day, and in worst case scenario they leave it to the next day, but in most cases they open and close on the same day. So if you are new, doing this will get you more experience. But then once you get that experience, I would advise you move into swing trading. If your win rate on day trading is like 25%, and if you can calm down and get your psychology in place, I can promise you, if you move to swing trading, you can double that number. So for the fourth category of traders is the scalper, or as I like to call them, the gym trader. These are the people that have the kind of gladiator mindset. It's that you kill or get killed. They go in or they go home. They go in aggressively, and to be sincere, I feel like this kind of traders are the kind of trader that attract most people into trading, because they do this unbelievable kind of numbers. They do these crazy figures and like minutes, sometimes seconds. And when people come into trading with this kind of mentality, they get burned, because most times this doesn't work. Now, I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to sit here and tell you people are not making money off of scalping. There are people that make a cool lot of money from scalping. But then the only thing I need you to know, if you want to go down that route, is scalpers, when they get burned real bad. And when they win, the winning is always loud. So those are the four categories of traders based off of time, so you can make your choice from that. Now, categories of traders based off of strategy. We have SMC or ICT. Now, I might get some people angry with this, but SMC and ICT is basically the same thing. SMC and ICT are like brothers. Actually, they are like twin brothers. They are very identical, but then they just have their different name. And sincerely speaking, I feel like almost all these strategies are intertwined in one way or another, but then they like to call themselves different names. But for SMC and ICT, they are sold together. They're like identical twins. The next category are price action trader. These are the kind of traders that take action based off of the price of the coin. From the name, price action. So whatever the price is saying, they take their action based off of that. The third category are the XR trader, support and resistance trader. And the last category are the fundamental traders. These are the people that base their trading off of news. So in subsequent video, I'm going to be going in depth on this different strategy. But for now, those are the categories of trader. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.